My name is Bharat Patel and today I am going to present our project titled The Mall Customer Segmentation Analysis. This project has been made as a teamwork effort and aimed towards to find different types of customer behaviors based on their patterns, annual incomes, spending scores and others. So, know your customers, a deep dive into mall segmentation. Now we will discuss through the introduction. In today's highly competitive retail landscape, understanding your customers, and we should know what our customers need, what are their demands, and many more. And we will use the clustering algorithms like to study the graphs between customers, demands, and other things. Now, we will focus on the content that we will discuss throughout this presentation. So, these are the contents: importance of customer segmentation, the users and the map, and also we will discuss the brainstorming ideas. Now, these are the some importance: personalization, marketing precision that enhances the impact of marketing campaigns, resources optimizations, and profitability and competitiveness, etc. Now, I would like to invite my team member Yashika to continue further.
So the slide is problem definition. So in a mall, in a day, thousands of customers visit, and they all have different shopping habits. So the objective of this project is to group customers into different segments based on their shopping habits. And the data we have used in this has come from mall membership cards, customers' purchasing history, and their spending score. So the next slide is problem defining key steps. The first step is data collection, in which we have gathered the data of customer. Next is data processing, in which we have cleaned the data by cleaning the missing values or wrong values. Next is variable selection, choosing clustering algorithm, determining the number of clusters, cluster analysis, interpret clusters, and the last is visualization, in which we have represented the clusters using scatter plot and line graphs to provide a clear picture of our presentation. So now I am handing over it to Sakshi. Now the next slide we have is the users. This slide helps us to understand who our customers are and the importance of customer segmentation. The next slide we have is empathy map. Empathy map helps us to understand our customers better by knowing both things, which are what customer is saying, what customer is thinking, what customer is doing, and what customer feels. Now I'm handing over to Risha.
Our topic is brainstorm. In this, we use the power of AI machine learning to solve the user's problem by increasing their knowledge and improving their skills. These are the ideas of this. Now, data visualization phase. First one is segment overview. Being with an overview visual shows the distribution of customer across segments, providing a quick snapshot of the result. Another one is demographic and behavior. In this, we use to illustrate the demographic and behavior of each customer segment. Another one is geographic insights. Visualize the graphic distribution of customer segment to identify concentration area and potential expansion. Fourth one is purchase preference. Here we highlight the product or service preference of each segment. Last one is key insights. Summarize the most important findings from the visualize to guide the audience understanding and decision making. Now I would like to call Arya.
So to design our project, we have used some coding. So first of all, we have imported all the necessary libraries, and then we have seen the data we have used. And then we have see the statistical summary of our data, and then use the function info. And then these are the visuals and graphs we have used in our project. This is spending score, annual income, and this is the heat map we have used in our project. So now I am handing over this presentation to Shashank.
Here we implement the coding to show the df.head. Here we do the cluster onto feature. Here we implement the coding to show the scatter plot. Here the from scale and cluster. This is the scatter plot of annual income and spending score. Now I like to call my team member Vani.
Now, I would like to conclude to our project title, All Customer Segmentation Analysis. So we have included various data in this project as you have seen earlier. And now these are some key steps that we have followed. Data-driven campaign strategies, AI and data analytics were central to campaign strategies, and micro-targeting, AI-driven micro-targeting allow campaigns to identify and reach potential voters. And third one is social media influence, AI and natural language processing NLP tools were used to analyze social media trends, sentiment, and public discourse. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.